In Cart Upsell provides you with the flexibility to fine-tune your offers to appear as if they are part of the same theme as the rest of your website. This approach, when done correctly, enhances the appeal of your offers to shoppers, making them more likely to accept them. Additionally, it also grants you greater credibility, helping to establish your brand identity. To begin, go to the Appearance tab. This tab has 3 sections that you can use to customize your offer. Inside the offer box section, you can select the layout of the offer. Here you can also add margins to the offer widget and add borders as well. To select your offer layout, click the drop-down arrow under Layout. This will open the option list, where you can make your layout selection. Select the option that you feel best suits your store. Please note that with custom CSS, you can achieve different layouts. Don't know anything about CSS? Contact support for help. It's always good to add a little space below and above the offer widget. This will ensure that it's not too close to any existing element on your site. Adding about 10 px provides adequate spacing. You can type the number in the text boxes provided, or use the arrows to increase or decrease the numbers. There are several border styles that you can choose from. We will use the solid border for this offer. Next, we will adjust the colors to match the theme. Scroll down to the color section and click the Manually Edit Color button. This will expand the section. In this section, you will make your color selection. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either type the color code in the text box provided, or you can click the square to open the color picker. Use the option that you are most comfortable with. Once you have selected the colors, you can move on to selecting the font you want to use for the offer text and button text. Click the drop-down arrow to select the font family from the options selector. If you do not see the font that you are using listed there, then please contact support for assistance. We can apply the correct font for you in just a few minutes. After applying these changes, you can save what you have done as either a draft or publish. We also offer free CSS customization to all our users. Contact support for help.